Hey guys, we're out here at Red Bird. Just kind of showing you surrounding areas. Very nice neighborhood. All very new. It is a little bit on the outskirts of Surprise. So it is probably about 15 minutes from everything, where you're actually going to see, you know, a lot of shopping centers, the Targets, all that stuff. So, and I'll show you kind of on the way out here, there's a lot of open space and a lot of fields. Some people love that just because of the fact that, you know, they're not so close to everything and really only have a 15-minute drive. Some people want to be a little more, you know, close to everything. So this is your RV gate, which is a fully functional RV gate considering there's no, you know, trees in the way, things like that. So a lot of times you'll have those RV gates, but then there's a huge boulder or a, you know, a tree in the way that you really can't use it. And here's the other side of the yard over here. Let's go ahead and go inside. I like the rocks and everything too that they have here on the outside trim. I've just always felt it gives, you know, a little bit of character to the home. So might get a little bit shaky here. Just gotta get this door open. So when you first walk in, that's the screen door, it's closing behind me. To the left here, you've got a nice little office. It has French doors. Very good size. Ceiling fan, everything. And it's not considered a bedroom because there's no closet. And then it's got just your basic tile. Nothing really very special to it. It's very, you know, traditional. Carpet's, you know, decent as well too. Looks like it might be new. Decent quality. Nothing that's, you know, very expensive, but certainly not bad. This is your first little coat closet. Now whenever we walk in, we come into this large room. This would actually be your living room. The reason why is the other one's meant for kind of almost like an eat-in kitchen where your little dining room table would go. But this is immediately your living room. You can make the other one, you know, a dining room, it just may be a little small. So, and we'll walk down this way. To the right here is going to be the extra bedrooms, which will go in just a second. And then this is obviously your kitchen. It's kind of a little pantry area. This is your actual pantry. Very nice size. So almost like a semi walk-in. You can definitely walk in it if you'd like. And then to the right here is where the master bedroom is going to be, which again will go in just a second. So this is the eat-in kitchen that I was talking about. It would be too small, I think, for a living room. So this is where you'd have your dining room table, and you can tell from the chandelier it's up there as well. So out here is the pool. So outside. Over to the left is just your AC unit. And this pool actually has the pop-ups. I'm sure you can see those in there. But these are actually even better than the little robot that comes out. They're more efficient. So what they do is they pop up and they blow all the dirt to the center, and that middle piece there sucks it all in. Whereas the robot, it kind of just drives around randomly, and it can get some of the stuff. It just doesn't work quite as well. And it's also Pebble Tech as well. And this is your pool equipment. And plus too, it's nice to not have that robot where you have to take it in and out every time. You know, I grew up with that, and it's just, it gets to the point to where you stop taking it out, and then you got the thing wrapping around you while you're trying to swim. It just gets to be a pain. So those pop-ups are very nice. Here's where your RV gate is. A little bit of room here. You know, you had mentioned the boat. You can definitely fit that here. It'd have to be a little bit catty corner, and possibly, you know, here I'll kind of walk this way so you can get a good glimpse of it. So it would definitely be on where the tile concrete starts. The front of it would. But it's certainly possible. Good to fit. A couple of citrus trees here. This one looks like it might be lemon, just because it looks a lot like my lemon tree. And this one is either an orange. Looks like an orange. Maybe Tangelo though, and that's what I have. But certainly looks like oranges up there. Love citrus trees. Go back in here. All right. So we're going to go ahead and go to the left, switch straight to the master bedroom. This is actually just, I believe, a closet here. Yeah, little linen closet right before the master. And this is your master bedroom. And then you come around here. This is the bathroom. So this is where a little private toilet entry is. Nothing on the other side. It's just not like it has any cabinets or anything like that. It's just a wall. So, separate tub and shower, double sinks. And I really like the closet. Closet's fantastic. Closet's really, it's better than the bathroom. It's huge, all this extra cabinet space. Okay, now we'll walk on over to where those extra bedrooms were. So now we're back in that living room area. We go to the left, and this is where your extra bedrooms are. So first is the laundry room. Washer and dryer, has some cabinets above. It looks really nice. We'll go out to the garage so you can see what that looks like. It's your garage. So basic 2-car. Looks like it may be pre-wired for water softener, is what that appears to be. And I think, yeah, this is actually your water heater. So instead of a big water heater, I think it's actually inside of here, and you can turn it up and down with that system. So that's a brand new, very efficient, newer system. Okay. Going back into the house, straight ahead here is the extra bathroom. Let's see if I can find that. There we go. Okay. One sink. Toiletry area with a shower and tub. Okay, and then to the left here, these are those 2 extra bedrooms I was telling you about. Here's the closet. These are decent size, a little bit small, but nothing to where, you know, if you're not going to have kids here full time, it would still do its justice. It's not, you know, claustrophobic feeling or anything, but they're definitely not big bedrooms, so. All right. And that is the house. I'm going to head out to the road and kind of drive around the neighborhood so you can see what's out there. By the way, here's this closet as well, which is right next to laundry. Another linen closet for you. So we'll meet me in the car and then I'll show you around. All right, so we currently just got in the car right in front of the house here. We're just going to drive down the neighborhood. There's really not a ton around. So like I said, it's kind of just, you know, your dirt fields right now. So homes, not necessarily a bad thing. It's a personal preference thing. So if you don't want to be out to where there's, you know, potential businesses that can come up around you, you know, new build homes, stuff like that, then you wouldn't want to be out here. But if you don't mind, it's great. You can see the mountains off in the distance, and all of this here is just a dirt field. This whole area. The way that the roads are set up, it looks like it'll probably be residential. But again, you really never know. There's residential all around it, so this would be like one of those 95%, you know, chance of it being residential. There's other homes that are down over there, but then to the left, that's where again where it's just nothing but desert. And then if we turn right, we're out on the main road where you would have been, you know, to get to your house. Again, once we pass these houses, all to the right here, you've got, you know, just dirt fields. To the left here, though, we do have a little park area, which is pretty neat. Looks like there's like a little community pool and everything right there. So this is where there's more, you know, new builds coming up. And then off to the left here is where I'm talking about with just the dirt fields. So this is basically all it is, and I'll take you, drive all the way down to basically Grand, just so you can see, you know, how far out it would be. To me, this isn't far out, but that's because I've got a little hybrid that gets me 40 miles a gallon. I'm used to driving everywhere. So, it's personal preference at that point. I'm trying to figure out which way to take here. I think this exit's a little bit different than the way that I came in. So I need to figure this out here. Turn left here, and this is actually the main road that I had turned on. This is Joe Max from Grand. You know what I believe? Yeah, it is left. And see, again, you've got just dirt roads out here. A couple of water tanks up here to the right as well. They don't stick out or anything like that, but they are, you know, very large water tanks. So I wanted you to see kind of this surrounding area, because all to the left here again is just the desert fields. To the right is more homes, but it's much different than the homes that we saw whenever you were actually here. You know, obviously it's just a little farther out. So. Again, we're passing through houses. They're on both sides this time. It's a very nice area. I really do like it. Very quiet. It's just not as centralized as some of the homes that you saw before. Anything in the 85387 zip code is going to be like that. As you see straight ahead, again, more fields. So I think this is something that they had meant to really build up and be a huge residential neighborhood, and then obviously the market collapsed, fears back, and everything kind of got put on hold. So now GPS is telling me I take this road for 2.2 more miles, and then I'll be on Grand Avenue. Grand is where you'll have, you know, the shopping and all that stuff. So just 10-minute drive, you know, because once I turn left on Grand, it'll be about 2 minutes before I'll hit, you know, the grocery stores, the Targets, all that stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm off to the other house.